Good morning everyone, happy Saturday. So nakatapos ako ba ng pre-workout. Then now nag-steps muna ako. Mga 45 minutes lang. And walking by guys. Tapos na ako mag-steps. So naka 3-5 steps din ako. Gupit na tayo guys. Wow! Mythic na calibrating. Second meal, yun, chicken wings, Osawa. Pre-workout.
Ito?
Yun o, gym. Last meal, sarap. Tingnan nyo, carbonara. Alright, last meal. So, pahabol na lang to. That's it for today. Pang day 19 ng cutting pace natin. So, itong last meal ko, habol na lang to. Kahit pa paano, nasa 120 yung protein natin. And, ilagay ko muna dito yung macros guys. Yan, baka makalimutan ko pa. So, yun, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.